New Casio G-SHOCK GSW-H1000A. Shock resistant, 20 bar water resistant, easy to operate via smartphone, great for extreme sports, sport training program and track your training. Main specifications are battery lithium ion battery. Batteries can only be replaced by the Casio Sport Centers. Batteries can't be replaced by users. Charging method and recharging time. Magnetic charging terminal approximate 3 hours at room temperature. Use only supplied charging cable. Time adjustment GPS signal reception. Manual receive possible only when communication with a smartphone is not possible. Bluetooth connects to a smartphone and automatically adjusts the time. Sensor features detail heart rate monitor displays, heart rate estimate based on pulse measured by built-in sensor. In case back cover, the heart rate data displayed by watch is for reference purposes only and its accuracy is not guaranteed. The heart rate measurement function is intended for recreational use only and may not be used for medical purposes. Calculated using GPS altitude data does not correspond to actual altitude or elevation above sea level. Other features are fishing time calculated by current location, moon hours, angles and moon age. Time adjustment, GPS signal reception, manual receive, possible only when communication with a smartphone is not possible. Bluetooth connect to a smartphone and automatic adjust the time. Smartphone link feature, mobile link, wireless link using Bluetooth. Apps G-SHOCK Move. Exterior glass, mineral glass, other approximate case depth not included optical sensor 1.8 mm 19.5 mm. Case size is 65.6 by 56.3 by 21.3 mm. Accessories dedicated charging cable. Band resin band, water resistance almost 200. Weight 108 gram. Case and bezel material is stainless steel. Construction shock resistance.